Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Irma. Today's video, I'm just going to share with you some normal daily morning cleaning motivation. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. As you can tell, we are starting off here in my bedroom. I did recently share a little makeover I did. So we did switch out our bed. This bed, I got it off of Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks. It was in horrible oak, very yellowy color. I went ahead and used liquid sand, and I cleaned that all off. I deglossed it, painted it this white color. Then after that project was done, I had the brilliant idea to do a board and batten wall on our main wall in the bedroom. This wall used to be black, so I went ahead and did the bottom lower part, the sage green that I have throughout my house. And then I decided to do wallpaper on the top, which I love the way it turned out. It just, I don't know, gives it so much a different coziness in the room. And then I found this chair, little white chair here on the side, super comfortable, of course. A friend was selling it on Facebook Marketplace for 40 bucks. I went ahead and picked that up. And then the olive tree I added behind there, got it for an amazing price at Walmart. Online, they have different sizes as well. This one I believe was either like the 6 foot, I believe, and I got it for like $35. Originally it cost like 100 and something, so they had an amazing deal for all of the sizes in their trees. But now I am done making my bed, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly put this sage green blanket that I have. This is a king size throw blanket. I love it, and on this bed that it's much more lower than my last bed. I love that how it looks, where it actually drapes down good enough, not to like with my other bed, it felt like it was just too high up. I see everybody does the blankets and how they drape all the way down to the ground, and I always thought that looks really cute and cozy. But now I was finally be able to do that with this bed because, like I mentioned, it's a whole lot more lower. I still need to get a little side table for that white sofa and put like a candle warmer there. And then I do want to add a rug inside my room. But now we're here in the living room. I did decorate already for fall. My life lately has just been so different. So unfortunately, I didn't do a fall decorate with me video. I just did it like whenever I had free time, which I could have had filmed it, but I didn't at the moment. But here in the living room, we're just gonna fluff up the sofa pillows. I do need to wash my sofa before the summer heat is done, and then just fix this little arrangement here on the coffee table. After that, we're going to go ahead and move into the kitchen. So right here in the kitchen, I do have the pumpkin bread from Antique Candle Co. Burning. That thing smells amazing. It smells like if I have like something baking in the oven already. So yeah, that's the pumpkin bread one. Love that scent. It's just chef's kiss with that scent. It's amazing. And I did do another floral arrangement here for the peninsula on this tray. So I just have some fall picks that I picked up from Walmart, which I am absolutely amazed with the quality and the way they look. And they're so full, and I think I paid like for like $6.95 for them. I did order a couple when I decorated my dining room first, and then afterwards I was like, no, I need more of those. So I went ahead and added more of them, and then I just added some eucalyptus stems that I had in there previously. But here I'm just going to go ahead and quickly unload the dishwasher while I'm already putting like the dishes away. In my dining room, I did add these darker tall cabinets that were in my boys' room. So I went ahead and added them here. But I'm going to go ahead and quickly now just clean out the sink. I thought I had filmed when I was washing the dishes, but apparently I didn't because those clips were nowhere to be found. But yeah, I also wanted to mention that today's video is in a collaboration for all of your motivation. I know here on my channel, I have a lot of you who are 40 and over who watch my videos, and I want to just say thank you so much. I myself am 40. Believe it or not, a lot of people don't believe me when I say I am 40, but I actually am, and I have 4 kids. I have a 21-year-old, an 18-year-old, a 14-year-old, and a almost 9-year-old. So yeah, we live here in Fresno, California. Like I mentioned, this video is a collaboration with so many other amazing YouTubers that I've got to meet through like social media, YouTube. I also follow them on Instagram, but the playlist will be down below, and we're just coming together to bring all of you that are just pretty much our age, living our pace and stuff like that. So yeah, this is just a collaboration for everybody, but especially made for those who are 40 and above, because we all notice that those are the type of people who are watching our channel a lot more. So we just want to go ahead and thank you guys so much for watching. I will have the playlist with all of the other amazing 40 and plus mamas in my description box down below. So don't forget to go check that out. I'm going to go ahead and quickly wipe down my stove here. I'm just using some Clorox wipes, just doing like a quick fast wipe down, but I do need to actually like scrub it a little, so it's not that bad, but so it still could get by with the Clorox wipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that quickly. Then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the to the countertops, to the countertops, to go ahead and wipe them down, and then after that we will be moving on to the dining room. So the kitchen, I did it really minimal also with the fall decor, but I still feel like it brought in a lot of that fall coziness, like so that warm, moody. I still haven't brought out pumpkins. The only pumpkin you're gonna see here is that butter thing that doesn't even have butter in it because it's so hot, and obviously my butter is gonna melt if I leave it right there, especially on the side of the stove. But I thought I bought that one, I believe, from Target last year or 2 years ago. But yeah, I just did very minimal with my traditional fall colors, of course, those oranges and yellows. And I feel like I pulled in a lot of the burgundies. And then I was so in love with adding the eucalyptus stems to my floral picks, especially after I did my centerpiece in my dining room. That's when like I did the fall florals first there. So I did 2 bundles in that vase. You guys will see that in a bit. But afterwards, it just blew my mind. But I wanted to show you guys like our chickens. We only have 3 chickens that have been laying, and they are doing an amazing job. So I'm so happy for my girls. We actually have a total of 10 chickens. 9 of them are hens, and of course one had to turn out to be a rooster. He's so cute though, but we can't have a rooster here because he likes to cuckoo-doo too early in the morning, and we don't want to disturb any of the neighbors. And then I did purchase also this island from Walmart. I had to get it because my dishes were so heavy, you guys, that my cabinet was starting to fall apart. And I felt like the only option was to do an island. So I hope I don't regret it because my kitchen is already small. But so far, I like having it there. I feel the size is just perfect. Plus, it's on wheels. We could move it away wherever we want. I haven't had my coffee today, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up for an iced coffee. I've been loving iced coffee lately. It's just so delicious. But those are the darker cabinets that I said that I have put in here. They were in my boys' room. They do have lights, but it's like a TV entertainment center that it's supposed to be. So there was supposed to be like another cabinet on the bottom and all of that. And then when you connect them like together, then everything would have like to light up. But unfortunately, it's too far apart, and I don't want to have no cords showing on my wall, so they do not light up. But they do have like sensor ones inside. There's that floral pick in the middle. The vase that I did that made me love having the eucalyptus stems. I feel the cabinets, they're very big and bulky, but I feel like they go, and it makes my dining room feel a lot more cozy. Of course, my dining room is not that big, but I feel like it still did a cozy vibe. But I'm gonna go ahead and share all of the afters with you guys. Don't forget to check the playlist down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new over here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.